All right, 817 Tactical here on an update, an improvement on the Immaculate Folding stock adapter. I heard a lot of y'all's comments. I went and watched a video on this and saw the problems that this guy was having. Mine was a little similar. It wasn't as worse as his, but anyway, I figured out a fix for you guys if y'all still want to have faith in this thing. I don't know if y'all do or not, but I figured out what was wrong. So there's a little spring in there. It's a little tension spring. It looks like this. This is too soft. It's not, doesn't have enough tension. I took a 4.5 pound tension trigger or a spring for my Glock that I had. It was laying here. I cut it in half. I stuck it in there. The improvement is fantastic. You can see my weapon is clear. No magazine. Anyway, it does not come loose anymore when you're trying to rack it. It will not come loose. You have to push it in pretty good now. Very nice. Keeps it in there real good. Anyway, you replace it right here. Also, right here, it allows that lever to go all the way back so the bolt carrier group can go past that. There you go. Nice fix.